Hello, my name is Vincent. Welcome back to V's Restoration Report. Before I show you the repairs I'm about to do, I thought I'd give you a little catch up. I forgot to mention a few things on my introduction last time. Firstly, when I mixed my solution, I started off with a 20:1, 20 parts to 1 pour, so I had to leave the solution on for a few hours now to allow it to actually start work. This is all trial and error, because as I told you last time, I'm completely new to all this, so please bear with me. And also the bowl that I was talking about, the clay that the gold leaf will sit on, that comes in 3 different colours: red, yellow and white. The red and yellow tend to be continental with the frame that's sold, and the white tends to be inch onto the actual repair. Now, if you remember, we were talking about this bit of damage down here before, and the damage up here. What I did was I grabbed a board, got a screwdriver, just hacked a piece out of this board. I gave me my splinter, and basically I shaped it down using block and sandpaper. Now, also what I've done is I marked inside, so I knew that this was the inside to the part of the frame with a little dot at the top to let me know it's the top. I was really lucky, I have to say, because that chip that I took off was actually a near perfect profile for this. And basically all I had to do was shape it to match the frame. Now, when you're shaping, make sure you take it down a little bit lower than the frame, than the part you're trying to match, because you're going to be putting a gesso over the top. So remember that. I was told by several conservators that it was probably, for this one here, it's probably going to be easier for me to put layers of gesso on and shape the gesso. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Also, with the splinter, when you do come to attach it, it's probably a good idea, or it is a good idea, to have some string handy, so that when you do actually glue it into place, you can bind it with some string to hold it in position. Because if it moves, not only are you going to have to remove it, but you're going to have to clean up the old glue as well. So, handy little hints there. So, yes, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.